Good morning students, this is Ms. Laila Hassan. In this video, I will be providing you information to how to identify the polygonal base and the prism height, but with reference to finding out the surface area of the prism that belongs to simple 3D shapes or compound 3D shapes. As we all know, class, that the surface area of the prism is equals to perimeter of the base multiplied by height of the prism plus 2 multiplied by the base area. Therefore, we are going to adopt the same formula to find out the prism height, the polygonal base, and one more thing, which is the perimeter of the polygonal base. So let's start. So in the initial video, I stated that first we'll identify the prism height, which for this question was 120. This is, all these heights are 120, which means this becomes the prism height. This becomes the prism height, and this shaded area, as I've already stated, becomes the polygonal base. So people, what becomes the perimeter of the polygonal base? This is the perimeter of the polygonal base: 46 centimeter, 59 centimeter, 75 centimeter, but unfortunately this measurement is missing. So if this measurement would have been given, so by adding these four sides together, we could have find out the perimeter of the polygonal base. Okay, let's look upon to this part E of question number 1. As we have already stated that this 5 centimeter, this 5 centimeter, due to which this 5 centimeter becomes the prism height, and our polygonal base becomes this, right? And we have earlier stated that we could break down this into two shapes, which one is the triangle and the other one could be the rectangle, to find out the area of this polygonal base. But we don't need the area of this polygonal base, we need the perimeter of this polygonal base. So what becomes the perimeter? 13 plus 10 plus 13, this 8 centimeter and this 8 centimeter is same, and this 6 centimeter. So 13 plus 13 is 26, plus 10 is equals to 36. 36 plus 6 centimeter is equals to 42, and 42 plus 8 centimeter is equals to 50 centimeter. So 50 centimeter is actually the perimeter of this polygonal base. How we are going to write this? 13 plus 10 plus 13 plus 8 plus 6, and that's equals to 50 centimeter. And this 50 centimeter will be exactly used here. Perimeter of the base will be multiplied by the height plus 2 multiplied by the base area, and the base area that we have find out, the area of the triangle plus the area of the rectangle. So we will multiplying it with 2 to find out this base area of the figure. Secondly, class, I wanted to state this one as well. As part C, I am discussing part C. This face becomes our polygonal base. So, and this 10 centimeter becomes the prism height. So let's calculate the perimeter for this one. 5 plus 6, okay, and this height is at this length is actually, if this is 16, then this is 16. Okay, if you will minus 16 from 5 and 3, so 16 minus 8 is actually, so this will become 8 centimeter as well, right? So 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3 plus 9 plus 16 plus 9 becomes the perimeter of the polygonal base. I hope this video is helpful to you. I can also help you out with the finding of the perimeter, and in the next video I will be doing a proper question to show you the solution of the surface area. I hope that so let's do this as well. 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 9 plus 16 and plus 9 again. So by adding all of these centimeters together, we could find out the perimeter of the polygon piece. Thank you.